So I'm not too sure about my kombucha in the background. So I decided to try something else because I really just like having some weird experiments going on all the time. So this is what I did. I took the leftover parts of that Buddha's hand that I have, which is that kind of big weird fingery thing, just in the citrus family. There was no fruit in it. It's really just about the zest and the peel. So I do have some lemons and things that I put in here, and you can see from the difference in color, it is really tinted yellow now. So it's been soaking for about 10 days to 2 weeks. I haven't really been timing it. But my thought was to make some limoncello, and this is basically how you do it with vodka and the lemon peels, but I didn't have any vodka. So I actually put in tequila, and I thought that might be nice for a margarita, a really lemon flavored tequila. So I'm gonna strain this out. This can just probably go in the compost pile, and we're just gonna keep this and make a drink with it. It's margarita time. So this is the tequila and lemon zest, Buddha's hand, all the citrusy stuff. I have about 4 ounces in there. So what I want to do is I want to mix about 4 ounces of tequila to 4 ounces of lime juice to 4 ounces of soda water. And then I'll probably lime on the rim of these. This is what makes it so that you can stick the salt on it. So we'll see how it turns out. I didn't quite have the 4 ounces that I needed, so I'm gonna have to cheat a little bit. This is a really good product. It's fabulous, so I don't think we'll notice too much of a difference. All right, moment of truth. Yeah. Now, if you wanted this a little bit sweeter, which most people do, you could always add some agave. Then you don't have to make simple syrup. Agave is basically, honestly, the same. Honey, on the other hand, does not dilute in there. It wouldn't, meld into there very well. It kind of just sink to the bottom. But here you go. And you don't have to have a fancy margarita glass. We only have one in the house, and we've had it for about 10 years. So cheers, everyone.